What's up?
Okay, we're here at this door job. There's a beautiful stained door behind me here, and it has the two side lights, the decorative glass. Now, we encountered something when we put this door in. We encountered that the frame was a little bit narrower than the door itself. In this case, the door was just about a 1/4 inch wider than the framing, so we had to modify the framing and remove some of that wall framing and make it narrower so that this door fits. But I was able to get a standard size unit by doing all that and save the customer, I'm going to say, hundreds of dollars, for just that move. It does cost a little bit more elbow grease and sweat for the guys, but it works well. This is a bit unique in that the transom above it, as you see, that arched transom above it, the customer opted to keep that in place. So they wanted the old door out, obviously, but by keeping that was definitely a custom thing for us. So a door like this is fun because it has the side lights on, it has a decorative glass, a little higher end, obviously, and it's just great, pretty normal install, besides the fact that we had to do the frame modifying.